name is Penina Gombo. I want to speak about some things that are totally unrelated for no apparent reason. But there are things that need to be spoken about that nobody ever seems to speak about. For example, and this is specifically to you if you are younger than me by half my age, that is if you are from 13 to 20, young and vibrant, here is something that nobody is ever going to tell you, but I feel the need to tell you. You will be old one day. Therefore, you need to prepare for it. Why am I telling you this? Because when we are younger, we tend to think that the older people are lame, they are so old, they don't understand. Therefore, when they speak to us, we sort of shut them out. Newsflash, that's going to be you one day. You will be old. The younger people will think you're lame. They're going to shut you out. So what to do? Be polite. Be kind. Listen. Okay? Listen to them. And without pulling your mouth either. Without muttering under your breath either. Yeah. You know how your mom tells you something and then you say, don't do that. It's wrong, it's bad. Okay? Yeah. For no apparent reason. Yeah, because I'm not anybody's mother. And I'm telling you that for no apparent reason either. But I know that it's annoying. Alright? And I'm an auntie. So I can do this.